Hello, thanks for joining us again. In this video, we are going to take a look at the wanted improvements we have included within Vertex BD 2025. First, we have something new to look at within the project document browser. Within architectural documents, for example, there now is the ability to copy, rename, and delete sheets. Let's take a look at an example. As you can see, we can copy this, give it a new file name and title too. We will make this the same as the file name. Let's also rename it again, changing the title too. It's really quick and easy to make these changes here now. Another thing we have changed within the latest version of Vertex BD is the ability to see other files that may be included within the building you're working on that aren't required by the system. Now these files or folders will show up within the same project document browser. We have the same functionality as before here, whereby we can copy, rename, and delete these where required. We can also make our own new folders too, for example, demo 2, etc. By right-clicking these, we can add any drawings we require. In this case, we will add an example one. As you can see, this creates a new drawing. We can open this and add to it as required. Now, when we go to the project folder, we can see the folder and the files that we have created as shown. In the latest version of Vertex BD, we have added functionality to add sheets from the library. Now it is possible to add multiple sheets. Just select those you want from the library, right-click, and select the select option, and then we go into giving each of them a name. Once done, and we've given all of them a name, they are now all available here, as shown. As you can see, the functionality to add multiple sheets from the libraries is simple to implement. One most wanted feature has been when you have the eave trim set that you have a gutter. Now, if you change the roof slope, the gutter will keep its position and won't turn anymore. It's finally now possible to use these and keep the gutter positions when they're adjusting the slope. Many users are using the red tools from within the connection details joint libraries and have requested to know how to rotate these the correct way according to the surface of what they are joining to. Now, we have improved this and added the option here so you can select and match the angle and surface of the object you are matching and joining to. This now works flawlessly in the latest version of Vertex BD. Sometimes you have added some components and you would like to keep the reference points you added the components on initially. Now it's possible to change a component from the library. For example, I will change this to the table. The reference corners are here. Now when we change the component to the table, it keeps the angles set. Another possibility is that, for example, you have this table group there and you want to change it from the library. BD remembers what library you have added the table group from. However, say you want to grow the table a little, for example. The component keeps its position and origin point, and we simply choose our new component and it updates as required. Finally, a widely used function is height symbol, and this is in a new location. Now within the Outlook tab, under the Profiles section, you can now find the height symbol option here. This makes it easier to find and utilize within your building projects. Thanks for joining us for our 2025 improvements to Vertex BD.